Rheem has been a big employer in this area for lots of people to make their living.
Rheem has helped support my family. I have a child in medical school, and I've got another one in finance, so they've done really well with the support of me. I think the company's been really good to us.
Very good living, thankful for it. But my boys through welding school, my youngest one, and my oldest one's Oklahoma Highway Patrol.
Met my wife out here. She was my boss at home and at work. So I've got a lot of friends, associates, and that I can call on if I need something. Look, I'm gonna help you, you help me. We're gonna do this together. And I think our upper management, they keep projecting that, hey, let's do what's right for everybody, and that's what we need to do.
My mother was the first. She opened the doors here. They were still driving cars in here when they built it when she hired in, and she will be 90 in September.
I have 5 children and been very blessed with the things that they've accomplished in life. They are my most important thing, and so that's why I'm here. It's helped provide a decent life for me and my family.